Hello friends, I am Nashik from blogtut.com, and today in this video I'll teach you how to make a service finder marketplace website like urbanclap.com. Just like any other video on my channel, in this video also I'll cover many ways on how you can earn money from this website. Service Finder Marketplace is basically a website wherein business and service providers from different categories can register and create their profile. Customer can see their profile and book their services online. Customers can give feedback on each booking completed. For example, customer can go to cleaner or electrician profile and book their services. Similarly, customer can go to a dentist profile and book an appointment. Provider's profile is full of some useful features like profile management, time slot management for booking, unavailability settings, staff management, booking management, invoice generation and payment system, service areas and services, featured providers, etc. We also have a job posting feature in which customers can create and publish jobs with his requirements. Customer can invite providers for job. Providers can search for jobs and apply for job. Customer can hire provider for a job. The great thing about this website is that everything happens on front end. The provider doesn't have to go to the back end to access the dashboard. Instead, we'll see how to create a dashboard for providers and customers on the front end itself. Now, there are many more great features like wallet system, commission for providers, offers and promotions, quotations, etc. But we'll see those later on in this video. First, let me show you a quick demo of the website that we'll be creating in this video. So the website that you see on your screen is the exact same website that we'll be creating in this video. First of all, if you see, this is the home page. Okay, if you see, this is our beautiful home page. At the top, we have this slider. Now this slider really looks amazing. If you change this slide, you can see all the animation and everything. There are two slides on this slider. If you don't like this slider, you can also put a map on the top, or maybe if you want, you can just put a simple image in the top. So it all depends on you. After that, we have this search bar. We have different criteria. For example, we can search by keyword, address, category, country, city, and we can click on find provider. If you want to do some advanced search, you can click on this. Now you can search by price and also by radius. For example, if you want to search service providers within 100 meters or 100 kilometers, whatever your criteria is, you can put that number over here and you can search for that service provider. After that, we have categories for service providers. For example, we have automotive, beauty and personal care, childcare, cleaning, business, etc. We'll see how the category and a single service provider profile looks like later on. Then after that, we have this section. This is also a very useful section, how this website helps you. So you describe your task, choose a tasker, and your work is done. Then we have 34 providers, followers, provider profile. So you can have a featured provider. So maybe you can ask some payment from the providers. If they make some advance payment or some extra payment, they can be featured on the homepage, just like it happens in any B2B business. Then after that, we have this counter. As you can see, this is a dynamic counter, which means whenever the number of provider increases on your website, this number will automatically increase. Whenever the number of customers increases, this is a dynamic thing. You don't have to enter the number every single time. It increases automatically. Then we have the latest post. After that, we have this section, which is also a very useful section. Why choose us? Because we let you meet new customers, grow your revenue, and build your online reputation. Now people can come in, or customer can come in, or maybe visitors can come in and they can post their job. So both the things are happening over here. Customers can come and post the job. Providers can come and post a profile or create a profile to provide services. Now later on in this video, I'll show you how you can enable this option, posting job and creating service providers. So if you want, you can enable payment for post a job. So whenever someone wants to post a job on your website, they'll have to make a payment, or maybe they will have to subscribe to a plan. Or if you want to keep it free, you can keep it free. Okay, all the options are available to you. After that, we have packages section. As you can see, there are 4 packages created over here. Obviously, you can create 3, 2, 5, any number of packages. So we have trial package, silver package, gold and bronze package. You can see all the offers available. Then after that, we have this testimonial, and at the bottom we have our footer. Okay, so this was our home page. Now let's see how a category page would look like. What happens when you click on this automotive? So let's click on this. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is our category page. When you click on that automotive, you'll see this page. At the top, we have this hero image. As you can see, you can change this image. And now, again, I'm saying if you want to enter a map instead of this image, you can do that as well. Then we have the same search bar. After that, if you see in this category, in this automotive category, there are three subcategories like cab service, car dealers, car care and services. So you can create this way also, a primary service or a parent service category and then a subcategory. Then when you scroll down, you'll see that there are 4 search results, and after that we have the footer. Now let's click on one of these search results to see how it looks. Let's open this one. Alright guys, so when you open that, you will see a page like this. Again, at the top, the similar section. After that, we have the title or the name of the company. This is the tagline, category, add to favorite. So you can just click on this and add this person or this provider to favorite. You can click on this to invite this person for a job, or you can request a quotation or a quote. Then when you scroll down, you will see photo galleries of this particular service provider. Then few information like the address, telephone number, web address and all these things. Map to see where this person or this company or this provider is located. Then after that, we have this section which I think is very important. So if you can see the experience of that person, certificate or anything available of that person, qualification, amenities and features that they provide, and the languages that they support. For example, the language that they know and you can contact them with. Okay. Then they also have the R video section. If they have any introductory video, they can enter that over here. Then you will see all the services that they provide. Okay, as you can see, all the services that they provide. So when you want to book a service, you'll go at the bottom, choose the service that you want, select the date where you want, for example 19th, select the time, click on continue. Then after that, you'll enter the location. For example, if you type in Mumbai, as you can see, already all the location will come for you because we'll be integrating Google Map API with this. So select this, then we'll click on next. Then you enter your first name, last name, all your information. Then at the third step, we make the payment and the service will start. Then at the bottom, you'll see reviews, Q&A, ask questions, articles. So in reviews, obviously, if you have, taken this service, if you're satisfied, dissatisfied, whatever, you can come and post a review over here. If you have some questions, you can come and ask that question, or you can just come over here, click on ask question, and that question will be asked directly to the service provider. Now we also have a post a job option. So if you click on this link over here, post a job, let's see what happens. Okay, now as you can see, you can post a job from the front end itself. You don't have to go to the dashboard to post a job. Very simple form is given over here. You can just enter all the details and click on preview, and that will post a job for you. Now when that job is posted, you can click on jobs and you will see all the jobs which are posted. Now if you are a service provider, if you, for example, someone posted a job, some customer posted a job, and I am a service provider, maybe I think I am eligible for this job, or maybe I want to enter or get this job, I can click on this. Now you'll see all the information, what is the budget of that person, or where is the location where they want this service to be provided, what all are the different criteria, everything is given over here. If you think this is good for you, you can simply click on this button, apply for job, and you will be applied for this job, or you will be connected with that person. Then after that, as you can see, I'm signed in over here. If I click on my name, you will see this page. Okay, this is the dashboard page. So from here you can see everything. So there will be two dashboard page, one for service providers and other for customers. So in the dashboard you can see all the things like your job that you have applied for, if you have given any quotation, if you want to enter or generate an invoice. You can also add a team member, you can add your services, whatever services you provide, you can click on my services and add a service. You can enter or create different branches. If you have different branches, you can click on this R branches and create different branches. You can click on business hours to enter your business hour and all those things. So we'll see these settings later on. We have booking setting, availability setting, booking, all these settings are given over here. We'll see these things later on when we start creating the website.